Welcome to the Throttle channel. Today we bring you a segment on celebrity car collection. We all know Ryan Garcia for his lightning-fast hands and a left hook that can stop a fight in a heartbeat. But what happens when the gloves come off and he trades the ring for his garage? That's where you'll find a car collection reportedly worth anywhere from $700,000 to over $2 million, packed with some of the wildest machines on four wheels. Today, we're ranking his entire jaw-dropping collection, from sleek German engineering to pure Italian muscle. So, which car will take the top spot as the king of his garage? The Audi RS7 Sportback. Garcia's is a 2018 model, a four-door beast with a twin-turbo V8. While the standard 2018 model packs 560 horsepower, there's also a performance version that bumps it up to an explosive 605 horsepower. Either way, it's a true sleeper that can launch to 60 in just over 3 seconds. Costing around $132,000, the RS7 is for when Ryan wants supercar speed without giving up an ounce of luxury. It's the definition of an iron fist and a velvet glove. This was one of Garcia's earlier big-ticket purchases, and you can see why. It's one of the fastest production SUVs in the world, armed with a twin-turbo V8 that delivers around 641 horsepower, depending on the model year. The undisputed champion of Ryan Garcia's collection is his most recent, and by far most powerful, addition. The McLaren 765 LT Spider. He picked up this street-legal rocket ship in June 2024 for about $382,500. Its twin-turbo V8 engine produces a terrifying 755 horsepower, launching it from 0 to 60 in a mind-bending 2.4 seconds with a top speed of 205 miles per hour. It's the quickest, most powerful, and one of the most exclusive cars he owns. The 765 LT Spider isn't just a car, it's a declaration that Ryan Garcia is at the absolute top of his game, both inside. Which car in his collection was your favorite? And what do you think he'll buy next? Let us know down in the comments.